So how do you cleanse your witchcraft tools? Hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and if you want to find out more about how you can train as a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cleanse and consecrate your ritual tools. So this is the 4 tools, or really anything that you're using, you will cleanse and consecrate first, whether that's your candles or your talismans, items of magical jewelry, anything that you're using that is sacred, you will want to cleanse and consecrate before you use them or wear them. In this case, I'm going to be using incense, which I've already lit. It's already smoking there. And I like to use incense, because it is a combination of fire and air. So that's the elements of fire and air, they're the active elements, and they are really great at cleansing. You can also cleanse with salt and water, which is your earth and your water elements. The only problem with salt water is it's quite corrosive, so you don't want to be consecrating anything metallic with salt water because you don't want it to rust, basically. So the safest thing to do is to go with air and fire, which is your incense. So when you're lighting your incense, you're bringing in fire, and then when the incense starts smoking, it's air. So in this video, I'm going to cleanse and consecrate my wand. So you just place it over the smoking incense and just allow it to be smoked, basically. And as you're allowing it to smoke, just imagine all of the negative energy, or any energy that you're not wanting, old energy, to simply dissolve and be cleared away by the smoke taking it away, the energy evaporating and transforming into neutral energy. And as you run it through the smoke, all you need to say is, I cleanse and consecrate this wand so that it may be useful to me in my work. Remove all malefic and replace with benefic. And just see it as being clean and purified, ready for you to put your energies into it. And you only need to do that for a minute or two till you feel that it is completely cleansed. And you'll go through and you'll do that with all of your implements. So you'll do that with your pentagram, you'll smoke that, say the same thing, see the smoke around it. I cleanse and consecrate this pentagram so that it may be useful to me in my work. Remove all malefic and replace with benefic. The same with your cup, and the same with the apame as well. Once you've cleansed, and I'll just put the incense away. Once you've cleansed your tools, you then want to start to put your energy into them so that they become an extension of you and your energy. And the simple way to do that, especially with your wand, is to just put it between the palms of your hand. You may want to build some energy by rubbing your hands together. You may want to just gather some of your energy together until you feel you have that energy between the palms of your hand, and then you can put it between your palms, and just imagine that that energy is going into your wand. So it may be light energy of a certain color, depending on what you're wanting to do. With the wand, if you are in a tradition where the wand represents fire, you may want to charge it with a bit of fire energy, which will be, so you can imagine that red light going into it, which is the color of fire. You may want to imagine that there's fire going into the wand, so you're charging a little bit with that element of fire. And once that's done, you just put it down and move on to the next tool, which in this case is the cup. Again, once you've cleansed it through the incense, you then want to charge it with the water element. So that's when maybe you're imagining the blue energy of water and charging it with that watery energy. You'll do the same with your pentacle. It will be the earth energy that you'll be charging it with, and then your athame, if you are in a tradition where the athame is a symbol of air, then it will be the air energy that you'll be projecting into it. Then once you're done, you're done. You can start using your Wiccan tools, your witchcraft tools, in any ritual or magic of your choice. I recommend that you, unless you are in a space where only you are, put your tools away, keep them away from other people so that they're not gathering their energy, and so that there's no other person's energy associated with your tools. They need to be yours and yours alone. So make sure that you keep them in a safe place, in a place where no other people can touch them or pick them up and look at them and go, oh, that's interesting, what's that? You don't want that. If you want to learn more about Wicca and witchcraft, how to be a witch, and you're taking it more seriously and you really want to learn how to do it, but you're feeling totally overwhelmed by all of the information out there, and there's some wonderful information out there, but there's a lot of it. You're wanting to know basically where to start, how to keep going, how to build your skills as a witch and your knowledge. I have a 12-month online training program that you can join at any time. You get to be part of a Facebook group, and you'll have me there as your teacher, mentor along the way. The details of that course are in the description field below this video. Otherwise, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comments field below. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.